Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is happy lately. I'm happy all the time. Mm-hmm. Ask her why.
Got a boyfriend.
I got a new brother-in-law. I like him. My husband likes him. He makes her happy. She smiles, which is so weird.
Today, we have the Target Happy Skin Days Advent Calendar. 12 days of skincare. This was $20. We already did the beauty one. They also have a spa one. We skipped the spa one this year. This says it's valued at over $59.
Which has me a little bit concerned.
Like $30 less than the makeup one. So
I'm a little bit concerned about that, not gonna lie. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Are you ready to just jump in?
Day number one.
Let's do it.
This is the e.l.f. Skin, which it's e.l.f. Skin, so whatever.
Okay.
Bronzing drops in the color Pure Gold Bronze 2.
So we got this in a trend mood. Did you try this? You might have decluttered this.
I might have decluttered this.
This is actually a very good bronzer.
I like these kind of drops to mix in with a primer or a thing, but I've just got so many of them, or I had so many of them that I know I've decluttered some. So I might have decluttered this. I'm not mad to get this. This is not full size, by the way.
I think it is.
I think the full size one is like
is
that
it
tall? Yeah.
Okay.
And a little bit wider. So I think this is probably like a deluxe mini.
Okay.
But it's fine. There's plenty in this little.
Yeah, a little goes a long way.
That was not what I was expecting from the skincare advent though.
No, I would probably have put that in the makeup one if I was
curating
this. Yeah.
But yeah.
All right.
Number 2.
Let's go to number 2.
Not mad to get them though. I don't like that face. Oh. Okay. This is
what the heck does that say?
Medi-Heal Blemish Pad. Daily treatment pad that offers optimized solution for those with various skin troubles due to external environment and stress. So this is one mask. Yeah. You can use it as a mask or as a swipey.
It looks like Korean skincare.
Mm-hmm. Which I don't hate. It tends to be for younger skin, but that's fine. I
don't appreciate.
Excited to get one swipey.
I don't appreciate a foil packet on day 2. Or at all.
All right, this is, La Roche-Posay.
Ooh, good brand.
Cicaplast Balm B5 with La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water Soothing Therapeutic Multi-Purpose Cream.
Moisturizer? Is that what you're trying to say?
Shea butter, vitamin B5, metacasicide, drug facts for diaper rash. So this is like a...
Do you have diaper rash?
No. But what this is for like a treatment thing.
Am I confused or is it just me? Well, that's half of it right there.
Here, have some.
Oh. Okay, so this is a very thick.
So this is what I would want to use if my cheeks were chapped or...
Yeah, can you use it on your lips maybe?
Yeah.
Doesn't have a fragrance.
But I had to squeeze it all the way up to there to get any out. I just threw it.
Don't appreciate that either.
No.
Let's move on. 3,
Number
4.
This was good last year. So.
This was good last year.
So this is a makeup eraser. This is the babyest makeup eraser I've ever seen in the universe.
Oh, it's a little Padlet.
It's a little Padlet. So I don't hate that. I don't mind.
That's a very interesting.
I don't mind that it's little like that because I feel like half the time, half the makeup eraser is wasted anyway.
Yeah.
This would be great to throw in your gym bag. This would be great to throw in your...
Have you ever used one of those?
Makeup erasers? Yeah, I use them a lot.
I
use them to remove my cleansing balms.
Okay. So I have never used a makeup eraser, but everybody swears by them. And everybody says before you use them, you have to wash them first. Because it leaves little pillings.
So flip to long fiber side with tag to exfoliate. No.
No, we don't flip that.
No. You get it wet. It takes things off. I like to use them to remove cleansing balm.
Okay.
Like a cleansing balm and then a makeup erase.
I like it.
But I feel like the full-size ones are too big anyway. So this is fine. Especially for an overnight bag going on vacation.
Sure. Okay. 5.
5.
Ooh.
Oh, Bioma. Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Triceramide Complex. Licorice Root and Green Tea. This is a baby.
Itty bitty. I'm actually using Bioma skincare right now.
I wish it were a little bigger because I don't feel like this is going to be enough to...
For the week?
Yeah. It does come with an owner's manual.
You might get more out of that than you think.
Right. A little might go a long way.
Yeah.
This will go in the overnight bag or the travel bag or something.
Sure. All right. Let's go to 6.
A little disappointed. I don't think anything's been full size yet.
No. Maybe. No.
Maybe that drops. This one's a lot harder to remove than the makeup one.
Yeah.
Manio, Endless Hunger for ingredients, pure cleansing oil, nourishing and refreshing. So I don't love a cleansing oil. I'd rather use a balm, but this will be great for taking in the overnight bag on vacation for removing makeup and stuff because oil-based cleansers are better for that. So again, probably not full size. But there's plenty in there.
Yes.
Plenty in there.
Yeah, I think an oil goes
a
little farther then.
Number 7.
Okay, now we're talking.
This is the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Is this full size? I think this is full size. We all know what a cleansing balm does.
I was heartbroken when I threw that away last year.
I haven't tried this. Did you ever end up buying one?
No. I pitched my box and was salty about everything in it.
It's got a little spatula. Doesn't smell like anything.
Nope.
Just a white cleansing balm.
So I like this line, this Holy Hydration line, a lot. The couple things that I've used from this line are really good.
They're nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for a full-size item.
Okay, there you go.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Oh, more La Roche-Posay. 60 Face Broad Spectrum Anthelios Light Fluid Sunscreen. Fast absorbing matte finish from normal to combination skin. Ultralight with Cell Ox Shield, UVA, UVB protection, and antioxidants. This is baby too. I'm going to use this maybe twice. And based on the other one, I would bet I'm going to have to squeeze it to there to get anything out of it. I like La Roche-Posay. I think they're fine. I wish this were a little bigger. Oh, you got to shake this one. It says shake, shake. I like a face sunscreen, but this isn't enough to take even. This would be I'm going to the zoo.
For the day.
For the day.
For a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Because you have to apply sunscreen.
Right,
And
so you're going to put it on when you leave, and then you're going to put it on
when you get there.
When you get there.
Okay, let's try again.
Number 9.
This one I think is a lip product because of the shape of it. And I am wrong.
Oh, CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is fine too. Like, this is an overnight bag. Is this for my face or my hands?
Moisturizing balm?
It's cream.
Cream?
It's hard to say with CeraVe. Moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid.
Probably face.
Probably face.
Yeah.
But this is enough, maybe a couple of days. Morning and night situation.
Probably. Okay, let's try again. Let's go to 10.
This is Avene Cicaphate Restorative Protective Cream. Soothes and protects delicate, sensitive skin. Helps to replenish the skin's moisture barrier. For infants, children, and adults. Is this full size? I don't know.
No.
I would bet not. It's got a little... We're just going to open it because why the heck not?
Oh, it's loose. Oh, okay. So this is just the texture of it. It is very watery, very liquidy. What is this?
It says it's a restorative protective cream.
Creamed what?
Creamed water?
Are we missing something?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's try again. Number 11.
This is Pan-Oxyl Acne Foaming Wash for Face and Body. 10% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment wash. So this is for... Is that bothering your skin?
No, I'm confused by it.
Clears existing acne and helps prevent new breakouts. It's fine. I don't really need an acne face wash. It's definitely not full size.
No.
It's not water.
No.
I don't know. Maybe I'll find somebody that can use an acne face wash. Do you know anybody?
Maybe Trey. Okay, this is the Big Daddy. It better be Big Daddy.
Six Mighty Patch pimple patches. 6. Not even a box. We got 1 full-size item.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Okay, Shannon. Last year's skincare box slapped. What the hell happened this year?
Nothing, one thing good.
So we were very prepared because of the value of this box is almost half of the makeup box. We knew we were going to get samples. I don't think we realized we were going to get Smurf-sized samples or foil packets or water in a tube.
I'm disappointed in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would probably skip this one next year. We'll probably buy it.
We'll probably buy it just to hopefully allow it to give it the opportunity to redeem itself.
Because last year's was good.
But this box sucked.
I would agree.
This is a great product, but this is probably $8, $9, $10 maybe. That's a good product, probably the same amount of money.
If it's full size. This is probably fine.
This is very acquired taste. This is not for...
Not everybody needs an acne thing.
Ew.
These are the babiest samples imaginable.
And
One foil pack swipey pad.
6 on Big Daddy Day.
Target. Target, you could do better.
You did better last year.
Your makeup box was great this year. Would you be disappointed? We're disappointed. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.